Can intelligence exist without a brain? It's a question that rattles the very foundations of what we think we know. Fungi, those quiet architects of the forest floor, navigate their worlds with a grace that belies their simplicity. They communicate through vast networks, exchanging information like whispers in the dark. They have memories, they learn, they make choices. It's astonishing. Here we are, priding ourselves on our complex brains, yet these organisms, lacking neurons, exhibit a decision-making prowess that challenges our definitions of intelligence. They solve problems in ways that are utterly alien to us, weaving solutions into their spidery threads that stretch beneath the surface. They release spores, they germinate, they adapt. Perhaps consciousness isn't the exclusive domain of the cerebral. Maybe it's something more profound, a universal thread connecting all forms of life, reminding us that intelligence wears many faces, often hidden just out of sight.